What if I told you that your brain lies to you every single day? That the voice in your head, yes, that one, isn't always telling the truth? Am I right? But psychology has proven something shocking. Your own mind is often your biggest manipulator. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how your mind tricks you, why it does that, and how you can stop falling for it. Your brain isn't designed to give you the truth. It's designed to help you survive. And to survive, it sometimes takes shortcuts. These shortcuts are called cognitive biases, mental errors we all make without even realizing it. Think of your brain. It shows you what it wants you to see. Ever heard of the placebo effect? You take a sugar pill and actually feel better. Why? Because your mind believes it's medicine and your body reacts. That's not just a trick. That's proof your beliefs shape your reality. You see what you want to see. You read articles that agree with you. You ignore facts that challenge you. This is called confirmation bias. Example, if you believe I'm not smart enough, you'll notice every mistake you make, but ignore every success. Your brain is editing your life story like a biased journalist. Ever wonder why one negative comment ruins your whole day? That's your negativity bias in action. The brain is wired to focus on danger and threats, because that helped our ancestors survive. But today, it just makes us anxious, insecure, and emotionally exhausted. Even the most successful people secretly feel like frauds. I got lucky. I don't deserve this. That's impostor syndrome. Your mind whispers lies like, everyone else is smarter. You'll be exposed. But here's the truth. Everyone feels this way at some point. The human brain is ancient. It evolved in a world full of danger. Back then, worrying helped you stay alive. Doubting yourself made you cautious. But now, the same survival system causes overthinking, fear, self-sabotage. Your brain is still living in the jungle, even though you're sitting in a classroom, an office, or on your couch. How to stop believing the lies. 1. Awareness that is equal to power. Start noticing your thoughts. When your mind says, I can't do this, ask, is this a fact or just a feeling? Catch the lie. 2. Challenge your thoughts. If you believe you're a failure, list 3 things you've done right this week. Train your brain like a muscle. 3. Practice mindfulness. Your thoughts are not facts. They're just clouds passing through. Meditation and breathing exercises help you stop over-identifying with the mental noise. 4. Use affirmations, but realistically. Instead of saying, I'm the best, say, I'm learning and growing every day. The brain believes what feels possible. Your mind is powerful, but it's not perfect. It can lie, it can trick, but it can also transform. Once you learn to spot the illusions, you stop being controlled by them, and that's when your real power begins. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's stuck in their own head. And remember, your thoughts are not your enemy. They're just signals. You get to choose which ones to believe.